You're taught in college, especially in finance classes and economics, to do supply and demand and do cost calculations and revenue projections and things like that. And I threw it all out the window, opened up 4 credit cards, and jumped over 2 feet. California winemaking actually started in San Diego County. We are currently in the San Diego location. This is the winery itself. We have a tasting bar up front where folks can taste the wine, have a glass of wine. When you're here in the winery, you can walk around, see my chemistry markings on the barrels as you're sipping, drinking wine. I started making wine in 2006. I basically wanted a hobby. Originally, we were thinking of just using a kit, but I was like, wait, we're in California. Some of the best grapes in the world. The Merlot fruit, that first year in 2006, we took 100 pounds. Now we take 3 to 4 tons. Absolutely loved it and had so much fun with it. We make everything. Everything that is coming out of these barrels is what I fermented, punched down, added nutrients to, pressed, crushed, often picked the grapes myself, usually with friends, usually with wine club members, they come help out. But people should know about us that we're not buying bulk wine. We're not buying anything in bond. We're making everything that's coming out of these barrels. Every wine you taste, every bottle you buy will be made by Blue Door Winery.